tomorrow is our reunion for high school batch 77, 1977. So the one who will preside the mass is Father Reverend Juju Sumastre. So I'm going to contribute Biko, guys. Okay. So I'm working for this now. So this is 10 coconuts graded. So but I don't know when I get inside the bubbles get out some. I don't know if there's still a flavor of this. Okay. But anyway, I make 2 kilos of pellet, guys, which is malagkit, sticky rice. We called here pellet. So 2 kilos, then 1 and 1/4 kilos of sugar. So I'm going to make this sticky, guys, before I leave pick up my grandkids in the school. So I cook already the malagkit, guys, that one, that two. Then inside of this, guys, this box is a tundan banana. I'm going to give that to Emmanuel, our classmate from Bohol. You know, guys, I'm happy also that even he is very far, he is from Bohol. He came here early. He arrived here yesterday night. Imagine that. So as simple gift, guys, I'm going to give this 1 box of raw bananas. So I'm going to take a video more, guys. Okay. Hi guys, I'm going to cook cassava for our reunion today. We have a reunion for our 1977 graduates of high school in Muswan, CMU University. So they are requesting me to cook cassava, to bring cook cassava. So I did it. Yes. This is how you peel the cassava. It's mamalo, guys. Okay, those who don't know how to cook the cassava and how you are going to peel it, this is how it works. Okay, guys. You have to remove the skin. Then do like that. You have to, after removing the skin, do like this. I need to hurry because I'm going to send pa my grandkids to school. Hoy! An? Nakunsa ka? Tabangin ko din rin. Di ka. Unsa ba ka nga? Tabangan mangod nato ni. Hugas sa kadiro. Itong dua ka kadiro may dungagan. May. I made already Biko, guys. Okay. Just try to help my one helper here. Because their in is 7 o'clock. But before 7, they are in already here. I need to hurry, so I do it. Andi ng planggana, be. Kanina tubig. Kanina kumol niya. Hindi mo naman yung tagyaan. Ayan, nandi nga. I'm not a master, guys, cooking this, but I saw it from my mother, so I just try to do it. Sige ko na wala. Busy ko na. Mo gahapon. Biya na ko sa inyo gahapon, nakunsa mo.
Ay nagkuhan sa lubi.
Nahuman ninyo?
Oh. Tara dito na magbutang kay dito ra pud ibulad ti.
Laka mo ko dito kakaon sa
O dili naman siya sa anon kay
manok.
uga naman.
Kakaon nga sa manok. Dalihan ninyo.
Ay isa pa mo sa ako.
This is the part of my kuan, guys. Okay. I'm going to continue my video later. I cook already my Biko. These puppies are you see my puppies.
Mama, did you hear? Oh, there's another puppy.
Ayaw, kaya I'm going to enter.
There's another puppy. There's another puppy.
Tuan na, sulod na. Tuan na lang. Lagi ko. They're eating.
You consume it very fast.
Biko guys, that's Biko. Okay. I'm going to offer this to the press. Okay, during offering in the mass. Okay. So, this is it. Busy guys.